In a world where culinary choices play a pivotal role in shaping our well-being, understanding the importance of healthy cooking oils is not just a choice but a necessity. In this enlightening video, a comprehensive guide to cooking with healthy oils, we embark on a journey to demystify these kitchen essentials, empowering viewers with the knowledge to make informed choices for a healthier and more flavorful lifestyle. The foundation of a healthy diet. The video opens with a discussion on the foundational role of healthy cooking oils in maintaining a well-balanced diet. Exploring the critical role of good fats in our daily nutrition, viewers gain insights into how these oils contribute not only to the flavor of our meals but also to our overall health and well-being. Navigating the options. With a myriad of cooking oils available, understanding the unique properties of each becomes paramount. This segment provides a detailed overview of popular healthy oils such as olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, and others. By exploring their distinct flavors, smoke points, and nutritional benefits, the video aims to guide viewers in making informed choices based on their culinary needs and preferences. Cooking techniques for optimal health. Transitioning into practical aspects, the video offers valuable tips on using healthy oils in various cooking techniques. Whether it's sautéing, roasting, or creating the perfect salad dressing, viewers learn how to maximize the benefits of these oils while preserving their nutritional value. The emphasis is on striking a balance between flavor enhancement and health consciousness in everyday cooking. The science behind healthy cooking oils. Delving deeper, the video explores the science behind healthy cooking oils. Topics such as the composition of fats, the importance of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, and the impact of different cooking methods on oil stability are covered. Armed with this knowledge, viewers are better equipped to make conscious choices, ensuring that the health benefits of cooking oils are not compromised during the cooking process. Culinary creativity with healthy oils. Cooking is not just a necessity, it's an art form. This segment encourages viewers to embrace their inner culinary artist and experiment with flavors using healthy oils. From creating infused oils to crafting homemade dressings, the video sparks creativity in the kitchen, demonstrating that health-conscious choices need not sacrifice the joy and excitement of preparing and savoring delicious meals. Practical tips for everyday cooking. Building on the previous sections, the video provides practical tips for incorporating healthy oils into everyday cooking. Whether it's substituting unhealthy fats, understanding the versatility of certain oils, or preserving the nutritional integrity of oils, these tips serve as a guide for viewers to seamlessly integrate healthier cooking practices into their daily lives. In conclusion, a comprehensive guide to cooking with healthy oils invites viewers to embark on a journey of culinary enlightenment. By unraveling the complexities surrounding cooking oils, this video empowers individuals to embrace wellness through informed and mindful culinary practices. As we celebrate the vibrant flavors and nourishing benefits that healthy oils bring to our tables, may this guide be a constant companion in fostering a harmonious relationship between taste and well-being in every kitchen around the world.